Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm pretty excited because I'm going to be trying something I've never tried before a day in my life. And if you guys can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to try to slick this hair of mine into a low ponytail. Legit, I've never done this before. Not even when I was relaxed or transitioning or anything like that. I've never actually gelled down my hair to get it into a ponytail. I either threw it into a ponytail, and ever since I've big chopped the last time, so it's been like 3 years, I've only gotten my hair into a ponytail one time. Literally one time, and that's because my hair was already stretched out. I didn't use any gel or anything. I literally just threw it in the ponytail and I went about my day. Before we begin, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on that notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So today, guys, we are going to be trying a brand new product on my channel, and I think it's actually a brand new product on the market as well. And this is from the brand called F.A.Q, and this is their Edge Booster Stronghold Styling Gel. So I've been hearing a lot about this on YouTube. A lot of people are doing wash and goes. I've seen some slick ponytails with it. I'm about to see how this works. So it says it's a no alcohol formula and it has a really strong hold and high shine. So I'm really excited to try this. I've never even tried the Edge Booster one, like the actual one for your edges, because I don't lay my edges either. If you guys haven't noticed, like that's not really something I do, and I think that's because I don't have no baby hair. Yeah, I don't got no baby hair, y'all. So I have never laid my edges either. So this is just like a trial and error thing for me. It is raining outside, so I thought it was the perfect time to do a ponytail because I have to go outside. And ain't nobody trying to have this fro out, okay? Ain't nobody trying to have this fro out in the rain. And wash day is like tomorrow anyway. So I'm like, you know what? It's okay. We can give it a shot. We can try it out. So this product I did get at my local beauty supply store. And this is a pretty expensive gel. I got this gel for $15. It was $14.99. It is 16.9 ounces. So it's a pretty big gel. And I got mine in the sweet peach scent. So there's 3 scents. It comes in pineapple, blueberries, and the sweet peach. And I smelled them, and they all smell bomb, okay? I really like the pineapple in this one, but I went with this one honestly because it was pink. I'm gonna be honest with you, it was pink, and I was like, you know what? If I can't choose between pineapple and this, I'm gonna go with my favorite color because it's just gonna look cute. It's gonna look cute in the room. Just to show you guys the packaging, it comes with a spoon, which I think is really interesting. I guess the spoon is to kind of get at the bottom of the gel of the container because it's so big. So I'm like, okay, that's innovative. I have never seen a spoon in my hair products. You know, skincare, yes, but not my hair products. Ooh, she thick, honey. She thick. You see that? She a thick girl. Look at that. Yes. Okay. Now let me just show you guys what we're working with, okay? Let me show you. This is the fro right now. This is the fro right now. She's a mess. She needs some life. So we're gonna just try to put her in a ponytail, try to get her life together, and then we can, you know, actually wash our hair with this later. If you guys are interested in seeing a wash and go video with this gel, please let me know and I will definitely do that for you guys. I just wanted to try the ponytail situation first and see if I can finesse this some way, somehow. For my leave-in, I'm gonna use the Kinky Curly Knot today. I just wanna first do a little kind of just patch test situation just to see if it's going to clump up, because if it doesn't, it's probably going to flake. So it's completely clear. It looks like we are in the clear. All right, popping. So we're going to be using that as our leave-in. What I'm going to do is probably turn this over to a voiceover because I feel like I really need to concentrate on doing this. And yeah, let's see if we can get this fro of mine into a sleek ponytail. Let's get started. Okay guys, so this is going to be one of the most repetitive videos I can ever show you guys, but I'm going to first start off by sectioning my hair. Depending on the density of your hair, you might have 3 sections, 4 sections, 5 sections, or like me, I think it was about 7 sections. I'm not even sure at this point, but I'm just going to section off a portion. Now, I first started off by soaking my entire hair, like all the way down to the end and detangling the whole thing, but then I quickly realized I didn't really care to have the ends like detangled in a sense, so I'm not going to do that throughout the entire video, okay? So I'm going to spray my hair down, and then I am going to put my leave-in conditioner and detangle the roots of my hair, and then I'm going to apply the gel and just smooth my hair down with a really hard brush. This is actually my boyfriend's brush. It works perfectly for a slick ponytail. So yeah, you can see me just using my tangle teaser and just kind of detangling the roots of my hair, not really too worried about the ends, applying that style booster gel, and then using the brush, which I'm using the hard side to really get it sleeked down, and I'm kind of just smoothing it down with my hands as well. You can ponytail each section as you go along if that's easier for you. I did do that. As you guys can see, the bottom of my hair is in a ponytail because it just made it a little easier, but towards the top I just kind of let it free, let it do its thing, and I just ponytail the entire thing. So you want to go ahead and part your hair the way you want it to be parted in your ponytail. So I went ahead and did a left part because that's what I'm comfortable with. I soaked my hair, detangled the roots, and then also applied the gel and just smoothed it out with a brush. Telling you guys, it's the most repetitive thing. You're just going to keep on doing this with the sections that you're comfortable with, whether they're big sections or small sections, however you want to do it. Guys, I can already tell that using this gel for a wash and go is going to be popping. You can just see the waves in my hair, okay? Wave check. Your girl got waves, okay? So now I'm going to take this jumbo scrunchie that I got from my local beauty supply store. My arms was on fire, right? My arms was on fire doing this, but I'm going to take that scrunchie and I'm going to go ahead and just tie my hair up about 3 times or so just to get my hair in this nice little ponytail. This is the perfect time to go ahead and lay your baby hairs if you are that girl. If you like to lay the edges and lay the baby hairs, go ahead and do that right now. You guys know that's not really my thing. I don't really have baby hair, so I'm not really worried about it. So I'm just going to go ahead and tie up my hair in that ponytail. Okay, so after you get your hair in that ponytail, you want to go ahead and take your scarf and wrap up your hair for about 15 to 20 minutes. I left my scarf on for 20 minutes, and you can go ahead and do your makeup. You can get dressed or do whatever you gotta do and let that thing sit, girl. Alright guys, so I am back. I've had this scarf on my head for about 20 minutes, so I think we are good to go ahead and take this off. Ooh, that thing's sticky, honey. Ooh, Chile. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I know this is like the simplest thing in the world, but legit guys, I've never had my hair in a slick ponytail before, ever in my entire like existence. Dang, that thing slick. Look at it. Okay, so this Style Factor Stronghold styling gel is the truth. If you want a nice little slick pony, it is definitely the truth, because it's gonna give you that, especially if you have really thick hair. Like, you don't even have to worry. Like, you guys see how much hair I have, and this took me a really long time to do, and I really had to do it section by section, but it laid my hair down perfectly. Alright guys, so that is going to conclude this video. Like I told you guys before, if you want to see a wash and go video featuring this product, please comment down below and let your girl know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe if you haven't already. What you waiting on? What are you waiting on? Become part of the family, okay? We want you here. We want you to be a part of this. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.